Let's divide 386 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of math adventures waiting for you. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 386, which is 3. We're going to see how many times 2 fits into 3. 2 goes into 3 one time, so our first little quotient buddy is 1. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 right below the 3. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. This one is our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. Time to bring down the next digit, 8, to join our remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Here we go with the next step. We have our remainder 1 and the next digit 8, making 18. We bring down the 8 from 386 to join the remainder 1, creating the number 18. Now how many times does 2 fit into 18? It's 9 times. Our next quotient digit is 9. Let's multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. We write 18 below our 18. Subtracting 18 from 18 gives us 0. No remainder this time. You're a math superstar. Keep up the amazing work. We've got one more digit to go. Let's bring down the 6 to make our next number. Last step, let's finish this division. We bring down the final digit, 6, to join the remainder 0, making the number 6. How many times does 2 go into 6? It's exactly 3 times. Our last quotient digit is 3. Let's check. 3 times 2 is 6. We write 6 below our 6. Subtracting 6 from 6 leaves us with 0. We have no remainder. Woohoo, you did it. High five. And that's it. We've successfully divided 386 by 2. You crushed it. So, 386 divided by 2 equals 193. Great job, math explorers. We just conquered dividing 386 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers become simple with a little practice and a lot of fun. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.